Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will show you how to change the thermostat, radiator and water pump on this Nissan Altima. Alright, so first things first, with the radiator, there is a cover that goes over it. First you have to take off the cover, then once the cover is off, you have to take out the bumper, make it loose a bit, like so it's going like back and forth. Make it a bit loose. Then, once you have room, you can take out the AC condenser, which is right over here. Once you take out the condenser, you can take out the radiator, which is over here. And that's how you replace the radiator on this type of vehicle. Then also, don't forget about the tubes and stuff from the radiator. Make sure you take them off, obviously. But after that, now for the thermostat, it's located behind this cover right over there. That's where the thermostat is located. That's where it is, so you just pretty much take out the thermostat from there. It's fairly easy. Then for the water pump, however, on the other hand, that's when it gets a bit tricky, because what you have to do with the water pump is you have to first take off the alternator, which is right over here. You take off the alternator, but keep in mind, before you take off the alternator, you have to make sure that you disconnect the battery, or else it will just mess everything up. So make sure you disconnect the battery, then from over here, you take off the alternator. Once the alternator comes off, that gives you access to the water pump, which is located over here. It's a fairly easy job, just a lot to do since we're replacing the radiator, thermostat, and the water pump. It's fairly easy, but there's a lot of stuff to do. So just to quickly recap on what I said, first, cover. There should be a cover here. You take off that cover, make the bumper loose so that way you have access. Take off the AC condenser. After that, you can take off the radiator. Once you take off the radiator, you put that to the side. You disconnect the tubes from the radiator. After the radiator, for the thermostat, it's located behind this cover, like I mentioned, so fairly easy. And then for the water pump, you take off the alternator. And once the alternator comes off, and like I said, disconnect the battery first before you touch the alternator. But once the alternator is detached and you take it out, then you can move on to the water pump. And just so you guys know, this right here is the water pump, which is located where I mentioned. And yeah, it's a fairly easy job, just a bit time consuming, but that's how you do radiator, thermostat, and water pump on this Nissan Altima. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you.